the old grinder works pretty good. It made short work of that one. That was a pretty big stump too, and really hard. I actually think that might have been walnut. I'm not positive. There's some big rocks there, so I stopped grinding on it. You can see one of the rocks right there. I kind of broke it up with the front end loader, trying to grade it out just a little bit. But anyway, it's a bunch of stumps. That big one, I'm gonna take it out later, but I will whittle it down some with the chainsaw before I put the grinder on it. So the thing works really, really good for what it is. So I've taken out 2.5 stumps. If I'd have hired someone to come in here to do that, by the time I get that one the rest of the way out and that big one out, that's probably $1,500 worth of stump grinding here in the yard. That if I'd have paid someone else to do it, and it cost me $1,300 to buy the grinder. And there's a big one. I can't wait to get onto that one right there. That's a big sucker right there, and we're going to grind it down too. It's right there by the front door, so it kind of ruins the yard. But I'm going to wait till I've got a pretty good handle on that thing before I jump on that big one. So got a bunch more little ones around, and yeah, pretty excited about that little thing.